Palladium this week has fell in value, and we can see how the price has behaved. Formed this strong bearish candle at this resistance level, and then reaches 937.50 as support level. After that, the price tried to move up, but formed this bearish breakout, with these candles, and then finally here at the end of the week, the price continued to fall down even more, reaching 905.06. A weekly time frame shows us currently we have a bearish candle. This was not expected that the price will do because of these two candles body. I was expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, but this candle has formed as a bearish candle, which is currently forming a bearish breakout below 937.50. The monthly time frame currently shows us a bearish candle, but we can see that the price has formed several of these candles in the previous month, where the price cannot manage to make a bullish or bearish breakout. We can see these attempts with these wicks, but the month each time has closed as a small candle body with the wicks on the upper, on the lower side. How the price will behave during the month, the rest of the month, is still open, because we can see the price is moving up and down between these two price levels. So I will go to the daily time frame, which is much more clear about where is the direction where the price could go. Now we can see that 937.50 is very important resistance level for the price to continue to rise in value, reaching 974.95. Will the price manage to continue to that? We'll see on the daily basis. But also we can see 905.06 is very important support level where the price currently is. So we'll see, will the price manage to make a bearish breakout? If it makes bearish breakout, we can see the next support level where the price could stop is around this area, around 8889 and also 887. Will the price manage to go above 937? If it makes, we can see that the next level where the price could go is reaching 947 and 948. This is the area right here where we can see this candles body where the price could not go up and also close the day above these levels. If it managed to go up, we can see 974.95 is very important. Now for now, I will wait for the price to make a bullish or bearish breakout outside of this area, which usually is the area where the price needs to make a clean breakout. But currently how it looks, because of this so strong bearish momentum, I'm also open to see the price reaching lower levels, at least around this one here. But we'll see what happens during the day, because it's also Monday. It's very important the day for the rest of the week, where traders usually forms a trend for the rest of the week. This is all for today. If you would like also to check the free Telegram group where you can also get the daily analysis, feel free to check details below in the description. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!